Thunderstorm watch number 488, effective until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Madison, and Tiffin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. At 7 a.m. at Indianapolis, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 76 degrees, the dew point 71, and the relative humidity 85%. The wind was south at 7 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.99 inches and falling. Around central Indiana, at Shelbyville, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 77. At Eagle Creek Airport, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 75. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 74 at Anderson and 77 at Muncie. Elsewhere across